So let's take a look at how you can add new opportunity in Salesforce developer dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into Salesforce dashboard, and here what we're going to do is go to global actions menu at the top. When you click on this plus icon, okay, now here you see a bunch of options in the menu, and you see this new opportunity menu option. Click on that. That should open a window in the right hand corner, and it will load respective form. Okay, so here you see opportunity name. So let's say IoT Sell Ops. Okay, you can search for a particular account if you have any, and you can create new account if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to keep it blank for now. Then close date should be, let's say, 2/17/2020. Fair with that. Then you have the type. Okay, you can choose decision makers, perception analysis, value proposition, prospecting. Okay, go with that. Then you have amount. Let's go with something like this. Then next step, meeting. Okay, and you can go ahead and save this opportunity. Okay, now your opportunity is saved and you can access it.